So good evening to everyone. So welcome to this YouTube session. So very good evening everyone. So please give me confirmation whether I am audible to you. Am I audible to everyone? So wishing you all very happy and prosperous new year to everyone. So let me talk about this. So Unacademy KCET platform, there is a live of comprehensive batches going on. In this you can get complete syllabus get covered, so you can get guidelines by the top educators, shortcuts, some tips and tricks regarding to that. So apart from that, the very beautiful part here is you will get topic wise practice question. So this is the another important feature where you can get only in this platform. So teaching apart from the daily tests, that makes us to become perfect in this conceptual wise. Another important point, you will get all this full length mark test. So just price of about 2,250, just 1 month plan. You can use the code of GHOUSELIVE, GHOUSELIVE. So you can get 10% instant off. You can get 10% instant off from this subscription. So here another plans are there, you can have a look at here. So 6 months plan is there, it just 1688 per month. 12-month plan is there, it just 1031 per month. 1031 per month. So you can get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, quizzes, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, full length marks with analysis you will get. So a single subscription makes you get unlimited access. Single subscription leads to the unlimited access. Amlo. So today our topic is Microsporogenesis, students. Today our topic is Microsporogenesis. So before starting the class, let me know how many are on the line. Are you all getting my voice clearly? Please let me know quick. So wishing you all very good and happy prosperous new year. Yes, students, how many are you on the line? So before going to start about that, any doubts you have, you can post in the comment box, so that if you post your doubts in the comment box, so that I will explain you all the doubts. So students, before going to know about that, we need to talk about the flower. So flower has 4 holes. As you know, flower is going to have 4 holes. What is this first hole? Called calyx. First hole called calyx. Second hole called corolla. Second hole called corolla. And third hole called androecium. Third hole we are calling it as androecium. Fourth hole we will call it as a gynoecium. Fourth hole we call it as what, students? Gynoecium. So here the calyx is also called as sepal. Corolla is also called as a petal. Androecium is also called as stamen. or microsporophyll, stamen or microsporophyll. Gynoecium is also called as pistil or megasporophyll. So students, now for flower, you know what is the function of a flower? The biological function of flower is, biologically the function of flower is yes, it is meant only for sexual reproduction. The main function of flower is sexual reproduction. So in this sexual reproduction, you know, first two parts, these are called as non-essential parts. Next to two, we are calling it as essential organs of a flower. So essential organs of a flower. So now, when we are talking about sexual reproduction, now students, you may get it out what is meant by sexual reproduction. Now you may get it out what is meant by sexual reproduction, right students? So now, what is sexual reproduction? Means fusion of gametes. Sexual reproduction, nothing but what here? Fusion of gametes. Yes, fusion of gametes. So now let me tell you what is the fusion of gametes here, because this is a chapter of flowering plants. So what do you mean by flowering plants? Obviously it is an angiosperms. So students, so what is a flowering plants here? It is an angiosperms. So now think here in angiosperms. See, when you're talking about angiosperms, so angiosperms are nothing but what here? These are the flowering plants. Angiosperms are the flowering plants, right? Yes. So when we're talking about the sexual reproduction, I told you just now itself what I told you now, formation of gametes. Yes, formation of gametes. Okay, and then this gamete should fuse. So fusion of gametes. Okay, now you know that pre-fertilization events. So sexual reproduction is divided into three events basically, students. When you see, first one is what? Pre-fertilization events. Pre-fertilization events. Fertilized events. Fertilization or fertilized events. After that you will get post-fertilized events. After that you will get post-fertilized events. Post-fertilized events. So when you are getting the post-fertilized events, you know, different thing here we will study in this. So as far as our topic is concerned for today is what, guys? Yes, our topic is what now? Formation of gametes, because here male gamete is required. Yes, as well as female gamete is required. Male gamete is required and female gamete is also required. Male gamete is required as well as another gamete which is required, students. Female gamete is required. So now let me know what is male gamete and female gamete here. Yes, so male gamete is called, yes, microspore. Male gamete is called what, students? Microspore. And whereas female gamete is called what? Megaspore. So male gamete is microspore, whereas female gamete is called as what, students? Megaspores. So now let me clear what is a microspore now. Another name of microspore is what? Yes, please write down, mention, or yes, male gametes or male gametes. So what is another name of megaspore or female gamete, you know. So microspore nothing but male gamete, you know. Another name is what, students, here? Pollen grain, right? Pollen grain. So megaspore, you know, it is also called as egg. It is also called as egg. So now students, now you just focus on here. What we are going to talk about now here is, yes, so now Formation of male gamete. Formation of male gamete is on one side. On the other side is what? Formation of female gamete. The other side is what? Formation of female gamete. So male gamete is also called as what? Microspore. Female gamete is also called as what? Megaspore. Also called as what? Megaspore. So now students tell me here, formation of microspore is called what? Yes, I'm writing with broad here, microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis. Now, what is formation of female gamete is called what now? Formation of female gamete is called what now? Yes, this is nothing but megasporogenesis. Nothing but what, guys? Megasporogenesis. So microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. Students, are you all understanding now? Please let me know quick. Are you all understanding? Post your comments in your comment box, guys. Yes. So what is the topic for the day here is? Yes, how microspores will form. Yes. Now the topic is what? How microspores form. Yes, how microspores forms. What is the answer for this here? Yes, the answer is only one thing. Yes, what is that answer, guys? Please let me know quick. Microspore form through here. The answer is on the screen. So what is this here? Microsporogenesis. So answer is what, students, here? Microsporogenesis. Yes, yes. Now let me start exact the process of microsporogenesis. Yes, students, clear now? Yes. Now before starting about, so let me erase now. Just I am erasing now. Yes. So now before going to talk about microsporogenesis, students, we need to have some knowledge about what microsporangium. Yes, we need to have a knowledge about microsporangium. So what is a microsporangium? What is microsporangium, students? Yes, please let me know what is a microsporangium. Microsporangium is also called as pollen sacs. Pollen sac. So inside the pollen sacs, okay, or microsporangium, which will be produced? Pollen grains will be produced, right? Pollen grains will be produced. So now, students, let me know clearly now. So today you have to make the concept crystal clear here. Yes. So now, students, first process you take. Let me write the flowchart now. So this flowchart makes you to understand very clearly about this process. So what is a flowchart here? You see, very simple, very simple. Once you talk about the microsporangium, okay, there you have a tissue, right? Yes, yes, you have a tissue there. So in that, students, one of the cell is going to mature into microspore mother cell. One of the cell is going to become mature into what, students? Microspore mother cell. Microspore mother cell. So one of the cell. Okay, students, I don't want to talk much on this. About TS of anther at different layers, right? Yes, just I'm drawing a rough diagram for you just to get an idea about that, right? So butterfly shape. So here 4 will be there. So what are these 4 are called? Pollen sacs. Yes, students. Yes, this is nothing but pollen sac, right? So this is nothing but pollen sac. The other name is what? Microsporangium. Okay. Inside this, okay, the tissue. So inside the tissue here, you are going to get one of the cell as differentiated into or matures into cells called microspore mother cell. So now you have one point you need to keep in your mind is whenever the term mother comes, so what you have to do, guys? Very simple. Yes, what is the ploidy of mother here? Yes, 2n. Keep in mind. So 2n means what? Sporophyte, right? 2n means nothing but what? Sporophyte. Sporophyte. 2n is nothing but sporophyte. 2n is nothing but sporophyte. Yes, students? Yes, now. So now what happened? You see, this microspore mother cells, it undergoes which division? Very simple. Which undergo which division? Yes, meiosis. Is undergo meiosis. So meiosis is nothing but which division? Reduction division. Meiosis is nothing but which division, guys? Yes, reduction division. Meiosis is nothing but which division? Reduction division. What do you mean by reduction division? Means ploidy is going to become half. Ploidy is going to become what? Half. As you all knows, now let me tell you, if one cell undergo meiosis, then let me know how many cells will form. Mention fast in your comment box. Quick. Mention fast in the comment box. Mention fast, guys. Clear? Waiting for your answers fast. Fatafat. No waiting. This new year we have to be very careful. Because 2021 has to give all our desires comes true. Yes, waiting for the students. Yes. Meiosis, how many cells will form? Yes, 4 cells, right? 4 cells. Yes, very good, students. So now this is going to be what here? Tetrad. Which tetrad? Microspore tetrad. Please write down, students. Microspore tetrad. Microspore tetrad is going to be formed here. So one tetrad, okay, one tetrad is equal to how many cells? Or how many grains? How many pollen grains? 4 pollen grains. How many pollen grains, students? 4 pollen grains. So many students, what they will do here is, they will do mistake here only. What they will do mistake here? 1 tetrad is equal to, they'll think 4 tetrad, nothing but 4 pollen grains thing. No. 1 tetrad is equal to how many pollen grains, students? 4 pollen grains. Nothing but what here? 4 pollen grains. 4 pollen grains. So immediately what happens, you see, 1 tetrad are nothing but 4 pollen grains. Yes, clear now. Now each pollen grain, now what happened, you see, which undergoes mitosis. Each one. I'm talking about each microbe. Okay, each pollen grain. Now it forms how many cells, students? Vegetative cell and generative cell. Vegetative cell and generative cell. Now these generatives, vegetative cell do not have any role. Again this generative cell, see students, here I am writing. Okay. So this generative cell. So ploidy is mentioned right here. Gestative cell is N, whereas generative cell is also N now. So now this generative cell undergoes, yes, which division here? Okay, this is first mitosis. Okay, first mitosis. Now it undergoes second mitosis. Okay, so 2 mitotic divisions takes place. Okay, and it forms 2 male gametes. And it forms what, students? 2 male gametes. Yes. Now what you have to keep in mind is, students, just I'm erasing here. So pollen grain and male gametes, can we call as same? Can we call pollen grain or male gametes as same? Yes or no? Please let me know. Please fatafat mention in your comment box. Mention your comment box. Okay, now tell me, guys. Yes, now you understand the difference between pollen grain and male gamete. Yes, pollen grain is differing with the male gametes. So now tell me, how many male gametes are forming? Okay, so this process is called microsporogenesis. Yes guys, what is this process called now? Microsporogenesis. This process is called microsporogenesis. Very simple, very simple. So many people think this only here. No, you have to come next step also. Each pollen grains. Now tell me students, one tetrad forms how many male gametes? One tetrad forms how many male gametes? Tell me guys fast, fatafat in your comment box. Fatafat now, waiting for your answers. Quick. So you can also follow me in Unacademy KCET app. So every day I'm conducting mock test, I'm taking classes. All are absolutely free classes. You can follow me on Unacademy KCET app also. At the same time, I will also live in YouTube at 9:30 p.m. every day. So waiting for your answers guys. Let me know quick. Let me know quick. What is the answer here? What is the answer students? Fast, fatafat. One tetrad forms how many male gametes? Okay, shall I give options? Yes, we are get habitual for options, right? First option is 2, second option is 4, third option is 6, fourth option is 8. Now tell me guys, what is your answer now? Post in the comment box, fatafat. Yes, superb guys, superb. Yes, the answer is 8. The answer is superb. What is the answer here? 8. How 8 it is? How 8 it is? Tell me now, how 8 it is? One pollen grain forms how many male gametes? One pollen grain form how many male gametes? 2 male gametes, right? Yes, 2 male gametes. So total pollen grain nothing but 4 pollen grains na. So if it is a 4 pollen grains forms how many male gametes guys? 8 male gametes. Simple. So that 4 pollen grain only, we are calling it as one tetrad. Got it students? Let me know quick. So interaction is very much required guys. We work together in order to fulfill all your dreams. Okay. Yes, superb now. So shall I erase this slide now? I don't know. So another question is on the screen now. For the formation of 100 male gametes, how many mitotic divisions required? How many mitotic divisions required? Yes. First option is 25, second option is 50, third option is 75, fourth option is 100. So there is no quiz here because in our app you will get lots of quizzes, but here in no quizzes. Post in your comment box. Post in the comment box fast. Yes, students, you can follow me on Unacademy app also. Every day we are coming with some mock test and complete biology. Now I'm seeing the comment box. Did anybody posted? Fadafat, please. What here? Today is a new day. You should be very active. Yes, sir. New day, but 10 o'clock time. You may think, sir, how we will be active now? Yes, yeah. We are all what? Nocturnal, right? What is a nocturnal? In cockroach is a nocturnal means what? Will become active during night time only, right? Yes. Now the answer is, I'm going to reveal now. Very good. The answer is 100 because 2 male gametes is equal to how many mitosis? 2 mitosis. What is the ratio now? 1:1. So obviously for 100, 100. For 200, 200. Got it, students? Yes, superb now. So now, let me write another question. Now, for the formation of 100 pollen grains, how many meiotic divisions required? Yes, guys, you need options. I'm going to give now. First option is 50, second option is 25, third option is 75, and fourth option is 100. Fadafat, post your comments on the comment box quick. Post your answers on the comment box quick. Waiting for your answers, students. Quick. Yes, what is the answer? Fadafat, 25. Superb, students. Because one solution is on the screen. One meiotic division forms how many pollen grains? 4 pollen grains. Yes, superb now. So what you have to do? 1:4, right? So 1/4 you should do. So what question they have given in question? What they gave? Yes, they gave is 100. They gave is what? 100. So now we have to calculate meiotic division, right? So for 100 means what is this here? 1/4. You should not forget this. So apply 4. It is going to be 25. Students, you got it now? You got it now? Clear? Any doubts? You can post in the comment box. Quick. So for 100 pollen grains, how many meiotic divisions are required? Same. Can we convert for pollen grains instead of male gamete? Now, tell me here for male gametes. Tell me here for male gametes. No. 4 pollen grains actually form what? 8 male gametes, right? Tell me now. So 100 100 male gametes. 100 male gametes means how many male grains? 100 male gametes means how many grains? 20, 50 na? What is 50? So 55 by 4 you should do. 55 is going to be again in some value. 4 is 8.5. So just round it. Because the efficiency there is 0.5. So you round it. 13 like that. So students, if you understand now, because that's something maybe if you join right now, just recollect. Just go back to the video. And you can see there I told you. One again 2 again. So 4 right? So 100 million is there. So how many millions will be there? There is only 250 there. So by 50 if you want to add that here you do. Okay. Yes, almost back now. So thank you all for the class in your session. For more you can on Unacademy app. So there we can guide exercises, everything. So thank you guys once again. Happy New Year to everyone. So I wish you all your dreams come true in the new year. So thank you.